Roof pressure washing versus roof scraping. What's the best option for your roof? If your roof is covered in moss or algae, you're probably wondering what the best cleaning method is. Should you go for roof pressure washing or roof scraping? At Balajet Wash, we specialize in pressure washing. And in this short video, we'll explain the key differences to help you decide. Let's start with pressure washing. This method uses high-powered water jets to remove moss, algae, dirt, and lichen. It's fast, powerful, and gives your roof a like-new appearance in just hours. We use industrial equipment and roof-safe cleaning detergents to ensure a deep, safe clean that protects your tiles and extends your roof's life. Benefits include immediate and dramatic results. Deep cleaning, not just the surface, helps prevent leaks by removing moisture-trapping moss, improves curb appeal, and even increases property value. It's important to note, pressure washing should only be done by trained professionals, especially on older or more delicate roofs. We assess everything before starting. Now, what about roof scraping? This is a manual method using handheld tools to physically scrape off moss from the tiles. Some companies use it because it's low cost and doesn't require special equipment. While it can be gentle on fragile roofs, it has major downsides. It only removes surface moss. Roots and spores remain. Regrowth happens quickly. It's labor-intensive and time-consuming. And climbing on roofs with tools can be risky without proper safety. So, why do we recommend pressure washing? At Balajet Wash, our process is safer, faster, and far more effective. We eliminate moss and algae completely, prevent regrowth, and clean gutters as part of the job. You'll see an instant transformation and peace of mind, thanks to our experience and insurance. When should you clean your roof? Spring and autumn are ideal. If you spot moss, blocked gutters, or dirty tiles, don't wait. These issues lead to leaks and costly repairs. Contact Balajet Wash today for a free quote. Let us bring your roof back to life with our expert pressure washing service. Don't let moss cause long-term damage. Act now and protect your home.